Oh, hello. Oh no! I just got an alert that the word hello in French is missing. Can you help me find it? You will? Thank you. We have a clue over here. In French, it starts with B and ends with R. What is it? If you know, write it in the comments. Oh, I got another alert that we need to go to the park. Let's go. Since we're at the park, let's learn some words in French. Park. Parc. Trees. Arbre. Grass. Herbe. Flower. Fleur. Bench. Bon. Look, there's a treasure chest over there. Let's go check it out. How do you say hello in French? Bonjour. Let's press the play button.
Bonjour.
Yay! Because of your help, we got the word bonjour back. But wait, I got an alert that the word hello in German is missing now. Can you help me find it next time? Remember, keep learning, keep on learning. Bye. Shh.